Jamaica, in Poland, smoking in Africa, in New Zealand, smoking every civilization, smoking marijuana, them are all over nation, smoking in Jamaica, them are in Poland, smoking in
Hello!
Hello!
I am Lindsay Lohan.
And I'm the Cookie Monster.
And this is Amnesia.
The Cookie Monster sounds nothing like that. The fuck is wrong with you?
God damn it.
God damn it.
God damn it. Anyways, this is Funky Shoe Productions, this is Amnesia, and this is Daniel. And Lee.
I noticed you're the only one who actually says that of the two of us. Funky Shoe Productions.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't even...
I drew the picture, okay? I have...
You drew the picture, but you don't even... Fuck you, bro.
Look at my beer belly. Admire my sexy beer belly.
No.
It jiggles.
I know it
It
does.
jiggles like your titties.
Okay, let's get back to the game. Anyways, let's light this candle and say a prayer. Jesus.
Please let us get lots of views.
Yeah.
I will buy a can of your Jesus juice.
Throw this rock. Oh, that actually landed there.
Good show. You know who you sounded like? Elmo at the start. I was trying to think for ages.
What the fuck, dude?
Cut Elmo off beating. Cookie Monster's all like blah blah blah.
Oh, I got mixed up. I didn't watch Sesame Street in
It's okay,
ages.
Daniel. Oily oils.
Oily oils. Yeah, let's look at the fucking note. Yeah, pause it if you want it. Or,
Yeah, yeah. You guys can pause it if you want to read this because we don't bother.
yeah,
We're failing school, so whatever.
yeah. High school dropouts.
Except we're still in school. That's the problem. We got suspended though.
Yeah,
YOLO.
suspended. Bad boys.
Suspension. Oh, if I had the song right now, I'd play.
Suspension.
I have Stevie Wonder. But I don't think I should play it.
Fuck, bro. Oh, I know what the... No, okay. Looks like a... Hello?
Hello.
Can I order some shitty walk, please?
Straight walk, take it out, please.
Shitty walk like you're all
It's
please.
like Magic Walk up in Hearthstone.
Yeah.
390, yeah, please.
390 yeah, please. Can I have the shitty beef?
Number
and the
4,
shitty
please.
chicken, number 4? Oh. What is this?
Ah, okay, I see what
Okay.
you're trying to do.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle or something.
I think that, actually,
What did you want to say?
no, I was gonna say, like, I don't think that one goes on yet, unless one goes over.
Yeah, pretty much, but let's see. I think we need to go to the cistern to get the other pieces.
Yeah, but I don't think you can bring pieces through a door.
I think you will have to put it in your magic pocket.
Alright.
Okay. This isn't
I'd
working.
say move the front and the back one back up. What do you do? Chad, what age rating is this game?
Huh?
What age rating is this game?
I think it's over 18.
Oh, that's okay. That's alright then. No kids will be watching this. Even though we know every kid will be watching this. You realise this. What the fuck wrong with you?
Okay, that was so wrong.
Yeah, that was very wrong. You have some serious mental health issues.
So do you, with dead bodies.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that. Even though it was like 5 minutes ago. That wasn't 5 minutes ago. It was like a half hour ago.
Why isn't this working?
It doesn't like you. You scared it with your rape face.
What a...
Play the game, man. Jesus.
I am playing the game. I'm playing with it, okay?
I'm playing with the game. I'm not actually playing the game.
Do we have to get those? No, no, no. Too big. Too big, bros.
That's what she said.
It's too big.
That's what your mom said. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. But that is what she said.
You do realize I'm not laughing right now. You do, don't you?
You're laughing on the inside.
No.
They're not being laughed at, push them. It's like Freddy Krueger's rapier.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah.
She walked in. Oh, what the fuck, bro? This is the only one that fits there anyway. Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, dude, I think we're done with this room.
My name is Abdul Amir. I don't even know what I said. Yeah, I just go to the system. Go to the fucking system, yeah, for fuck's sake.
Let's go to your sister.
I load your system. Your system pure turned on for me.
Oh, I see. We didn't even check the doors. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you?
Oh look, there's another telephone.
There is another telephone in here. I've got a call to ring my family.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
I think this has to do with some pressure yoke. Stuck in position, and stuck too.
Just like my ex-wife. Stuck in position.
Yeah, pretty much. That does. Take this phone. No. You do realize I just said phone in backwards.
Wait, what?
Like backwards. The word.
Phone?
No.
No. If you like Enough.
No.
No, it wouldn't be Enope.
No.
Enope. It's a cross.
The cross.
It's a
Have to pray.
crucifix. Then you definitely have to pray.
Lord, please let us be alive. Let me be alive. And
Kill that bitch I don't like down the street. She has 6 cats. That's just not normal. Please take her ass out.
what the fuck?
What a horrible, horrible place.
Fuck. Oh, there's a note. Oh, and I can't click on it. Derp.
Doop.
Oh, another one.
Doop.
Great.
Hello? Can you hear me now?
Jesus. Who's doing that noise?
Excuse me, gentlemen, I am getting laid tonight. I didn't know his hand had a phone. Daniel, you have a call.
What?
You have a call.
Oh, last one.
Oh yeah, wake up yeah.
Do not close.
Dive.
You shall not pass.
The monster's gonna be right inside.
I don't think the monster is gonna be here
No,
because because like monsters can't climb ladders. Remember?
Well,
You
they
know,
never actually say that.
unless the monster is like smart.
You remember in the old games, like years ago, when the monster used to kill you,
Yeah.
it'd like scratch you like 3 times, and then when you die, you'd like still see the monster, and it just kind of walk off.
Yeah.
It's like, why did it kill you then?
I don't know.
It's like, scratchity scratch, I'm bored, you know?
Yeah.
Who writes this shit?
It's stuck in position and it's stuck in position and your mom is stuck.
Yo mama.
Your mom. Yo mama.
Your mama's so fat when she stood on the weighing scale my phone number came up. Your mama's so old. The last time she told this joke she was sitting on a dinosaur.
Ooh. Yo mama's so fat that the American government uses her to protect the Mexican borders.
What? Why would the American government protect the Mexican borders?
Because your mom is fat and she looks like Godzilla. And you know, she's just like there in defense mode. Just like guarding the borders.
It's Godzilla! Get your chili beans!
Then the three amigos will have to appear and then
The Three Musketeers will
use the burritos of destiny to defeat the...
my burrito ninjas there.
Oh, anyways guys, my time is up, so see you next episode.
Oh yeah, wake up here!
See ya.
Godzilla!